Hello guys, Craig Newton here. Yes, I am building my next recreation. Like as you can probably know, I'm building Saw the Ride at Thorpe Park. So I will show you like what I've been doing so far. Well, mind you, I just not longer started it, so and it will be a few clips, and yes, I managed to finish my Legos, so I managed to finish them all. So yes, it will be a video showing you my Lego some point as well. And yeah, so I will show you what I'm at so far, the Saw the Ride. As I said, I not longer started it, so like that's what we have so far. So that is the turn that leads into the first lift. The first lift hill is really like I think you call it like vertical lift, which is as a lot the same as the Smiler roller coaster. So anyway, I will show you some image. So like that's what I'm building. Saw the Ride. So yeah, it should be a straightforward one. I don't think it would take long to do. So like as my last, like one of my roller coasters that I'm on, I run out the black. So I might like if I do run it, I just need to use the green ones. So like this is all the black cross ties, and in this big bucket I keep all the green ones. So like that's what I'm gonna do. Like if it happens. So yeah, I'll be working with that. Alright, it's been a few days. So like so far we have that lift. So well obviously I still need to do the middle tubing. While I'm not longer doing the drop. It is almost done, so that will lead into that the first element. Well, I mean, it is the same one as the Hyperia type element, like an element. So that will come up here like that. So that will go like this, and then it goes to that airtime hill, and then it turns back into the brakes. Or to slow down the car a wee bit, and then it goes into that inversion, and then it goes up and then into the brake one, and then that will turn, and then it goes into the station, which is just next to the lift hill and that. So yeah, this bit, like as you can see, these rods sticking out because while it has that spinning thing, like as you're going through it, so like which is going to be really cool. So I'm going to do that next, probably. Well, I'll probably do the track or build that bit first, and then I can do that. So yeah, see where I'm at in the next clip. Okay, I've just done with this. Well, I'm starting on the drop from the element. So let's give it a test run from about there. Wow, it's straightforward as it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna do that sort of track. So I'm gonna continue with that. So yeah, it's getting there. So far, roughly about there so far, the saw the ride. So like as you can notice on my bed, I've got all the hangs, the clays and all that stuff, because this bar will taken off, because we've got a new one. So obviously we're going to do that later. So I mean, it's just bent in it, like you can tell it's bent. So like what we have to do, well, obviously my mum's going to do it, and so she's going to take that bit off and then put the new one up. So I suppose it's nicer that way, get the new stuff and all. So anyway, until that is done, I will be continue with this sort of ride. And like yesterday was my birthday, so I'm 23 now. Well, since yesterday, the 16th July, and then today's the 17th. So I don't know when I'm going to finish this. I don't know yet. I may take it a couple of weeks, maybe a week or two. I mean, we'll see. I've won the black ones because in the bucket it's empty. So I'm going to use the green cross ties. Like it doesn't matter the colour, well, like at all, if it's the same shape. Like as long as it's the same, which is the main thing as well. So yeah, I will see you in the next clip. Okay, it's been a few or couple of days now. So like so far we've got the airtime hole, and then it comes up around it, and then it goes up here, which I currently just finished at the end. So well the next step is it will be the last inversion, so that will come back down and it goes back up and it twists, and then it goes like that, and then like that will come back round here, and then it goes straight to the station like that. So I is getting there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep work. Alright, another clip. So I'm gonna do another test run. So like so far I've been built, like maybe started there, so I've done this bit here. Like this bit there is like, well obviously after that airtime hole it comes down and it comes up, and then it slows down the car, which is this bit here, and then it goes back down like that. So it comes through and it goes up. Well, it's not really inversion by the look on that one, but on that ride it is like technically going twisted, but I couldn't do that, and so I just done that instead. It does work, but like unfortunately it made it a bit maybe up here somewhere. But anyway, I'm gonna do the test run anyway. So get the car, so a bit here, so I'm just gonna push it like that. So yeah, like as you can see there. Well, I mean, well, I do have an idea, but like I see what happens. So like all I left to do is to do this last bit is the station, and then it goes straight there, and then it goes up to that lift, and then that be done. The saw the ride is nearly end. So yeah, hopefully every bit works, but if not, it doesn't matter. But yeah, we wait and see. So yeah, I will see you in the next clip, and then hopefully I will able to film the coaster, like whatever it's done and whatever the weather's good, and then I'll put outside. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. So the saw the ride is complete. So yeah, it's been about a couple of weeks of build. So yeah, we have the lift hill, some other elements. It has a few of them out there as well. So I don't know when like it's going to get filmed. So like all I need to do is to put like everything on and put a track on. Well, mind you, I still need to do the middle tubing for the chain lift for that lift hill there. So yeah, as you hear me right, so it is finished. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.